Owen, what are you on with? I know you're all waiting with bated breath. What I'm up to? Well, I'm going telescoping. I don't know if that's the right term for it, but my old mate Bob bought a telescope, and it's a lovely clear blue sky up there, and we're going to test it out. Going up Jubilee Towers, which is right up in the hills, and I'm going to make a vlog about it. Now, I don't think Bob really knows what he's doing, and I certainly don't, regarding telescoping. Astronomy, isn't it? But we're going to see if we can see any stars. We're going to film it. It's still light, but apparently the sunset is in round about 45 minutes. So it'll be time to get myself to Bob's house, have a cup of tea, dither about, get up there. Should be going dark. I can't see the point of these cycle tracks. No one ever uses them. A complete waste of money. That's where we're heading, up in the distance, behind that white tower. That makes a change, doesn't it? Trains running. So we're off telescoping. Or, is that the correct term for it?
Telescope, yeah.
It's astronomy, isn't it? Bought this telescope, which is in the back there. We're going to set it up and see if we can see any stars. He's had it about 6 months, it's been cloudy every day.
Bloody hell.
Bob, up there. I'm going to set this. Would it not go over the top?
Yeah, should do. We can point through if it doesn't go with it.
Telescope is a Skywatcher AZ Go2. So I'm going to set it up now.
Have to be on the real one. It's on a tripod.
So you've only used it in your garden.
Well, yeah.
So this is first time we've been out in the wild.
Really been anywhere else.
So what's that do then? Hey?
Alright, completely sure. I'm gonna leave that.
Say that again.
Shit. There's oh fuck.
What? You forgot something?
Yeah.
What? The telescope?
Fucking lenses.
Fucking hell.
Oh, for fuck's sake, did I put...
And what? Are they not in there? But do you need them?
Bastard. We might as well go and get them. By the time we come back, that'll have gone in.
Right.
Alright.
We'll have to take it down, and because you can't just stop up here while you go, because I'll freeze to death. Right, take 2.
Fucking bastard.
I won't put this bit in. Right, take 2. We've got the little box of tricks here. It's got all the lenses in. Till we get back up there, it should be dark. Right, so setting up the old tripod.
Fucking wrong way round.
Patrick Moore, I'll be spinning in his grave. So what's that then, Bob?
Eyeliner thingy.
Oh,
Nice.
is that what your
eyepiece?
Your eyepiece.
Actually, no, I don't think it is. I think it's. I don't know if it was right way around.
That's it. Put the glasses on. So that's the lens.
Well, no, this is just the bit that holds it. The lens goes in there.
Fuck with that, yeah. Somebody with a what's it? What do they call them? Crossbow. You see, would it not, if you did it again, be worth setting all this up? Then all you have to do is to put that on.
Yeah.
Because you could lose some of these, couldn't you, if it's dark?
Oh yeah. Can't possibly. Which is why I brought the box as well, so at least if I just chuck everything back in box, for sound.
But you could just take that off when you're finished and put that in your car and then take it all to bits when you get home. Super 10.
Super 10. We'll try it. I think it's the lowest one I've got, that.
Is that so? That's the less.
I think I've got a 10, a 15. Oh no, I've got a 6.3, which is the lowest one I've got.
So that goes in there. So I don't understand what that's for if you're looking in there.
Well, yeah, I think that's just the sighter actually.
Oh, right.
To make sure the telescope's pointing in the right direction.
Right.
When I was looking at it through, yeah, it's got a fucking lens cap on.
It's dark.
It is dark. There's not really to see, is there?
No, but what is it should look blue though, shouldn't it?
Not if it's looking at that cloud.
That will be some thumbnail.
What?
Your face looking in that lens. Can you see out? But is it turned on?
Don't turn it on.
Do you not?
Just look through it.
Oh, right.
Turn that on.
But what's all this for then?
What?
All this white thing.
Turns it.
All right. Can I have a look in there?
If you want, yeah. I don't think you can see all.
I can't see out. I don't know if it did out, if I was...
It did out.
What is that then?
This is pretty cut, yeah. Oh.
Did it? But how can it if you took that lens off?
You got your own hill lens we found, yeah.
You not?
It's already got one.
Oh, right. Is that what you took?
No. It's what I got off the internet.
So is it a special app?
Yeah.
So that the lens off your camera's got to be over that little hole, has it?
Yeah.
But how can that see that
See that?
through there?
Well, it just looks down that way. This I'll just look at what you'd be looking at if you were looking through there.
Right. What's that warning? You may encounter aliens. Alien spacecraft. No device found or software version not supported.
It's right there. I better put my fucking specs on.
Fucking hell. Right, so we're not having much luck, but if you wanted to see a star, I'll find off. There's one up there. You see?